the first time, well, I did something stupid. The second time the first time I said, I just do too much of a moose for a wooden shovel. Now that I have a pry bar, I should be better, but...
Got it. Balance.
Got it. I can remember the first of the balers on wheels around the 50s, but before that, it was all loose hay or stationary balers. I go back far enough to remember putting up hay loops, the hay forks and the hay loaders. This was off the street.
Yeah, that it was.
Got it.
You better stop me on that one.
Come on, Lilly, wake up. She's bored. Come on.
Oh, yeah,
One more time, fella. Huh?
That's getting busy.
Come on, got it. Come on.